Ludowici is a 400-year-old company, started in southern Italy. In the late 1800s, family sent one of the sons, Carl Ludowici, to the US. In 1888, they founded Ludowici Roof Tile, and that's where the legacy of terracotta roof tiles started here in the US. Ludowici is a company that has been around for a very long time. When you look at construction products and companies that fulfill the needs in that marketplace, Ludowici really is sitting at the top of one of those mountains, and that's clay tile roofing. I think clay tile is unique because of its longevity. When you look at most products that are out there for the construction marketplace, they're not looking at how long is this product going to last. For us, we're looking at something that's not only going to last the life of the structure, but go beyond that as well. It starts with the clay itself. You have to have a very pure clay. With that, it allows you to do more with the clay. You can form it better, you can make different shapes, and you can make a stronger product. You can also burn it longer, and by burning it longer, you get a stronger and better product.
Terracotta is so flexible. You can do anything with your shapes, your colors, the textures that you're going to add to it. So it's so much fun because you can really fine tune and get something very specific, which a lot of materials don't allow you to work with. Ludowici does offer a 75-year product warranty, which includes color. And as a company that's been in business since 1888, we can actually back up that claim.
I think the thing that does make Ludowici so special is the people. At a minimum, there's going to be 27 sets of hands that touch the product. When you get into some of the artistry of what has to happen to the product to make it after it's been pressed and finished, it gets to be really unique. When you look at the hand craftsmanship that goes into a lot of our accessories and a lot of our trim items, it gets to be pretty cool and really neat. And when you talk to the folks, the pride comes out. When they put their signature on each one of those individual pieces, it means a lot to them and it means a lot to us. When I think about how does a project wrap up and where are we, what I'm looking for is the reaction of the owner. If they're smiling and they're happy and they're beaming and they're very proud of what they've done, then I'm happy.
I think the beauty of Ludowici is the world of terracotta. So you can choose your specific look that you're wanting. It is the best quality. You're done. Once you do this roof, you're going to pass this on to your family. So I think that's what people are looking for, is the high quality, the trust that comes with the experience, and then of course just an absolutely beautiful product.